Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my room. I recently did a desk makeover. Go watch it if you haven't yet. I'm very happy with the results. But anyways, I'm very excited to show you my room, so let's just get started. So you have this little step up to my room, and here's my newly painted door. This is what you see when you enter the room. So this is where you come in the room, and on the right here we have my pretty Polaroid wall. It started a few years ago, very small, but it's grown a lot. You have so many memories here and I just love it. Plus, it looks really cute. When you go off to the left, you have my beautiful wall. I gave this wall a makeover last year, which was my best one, I have to say. It was such a good makeover. It was so ugly before, so go watch it after this video if you haven't seen it yet. First, we have my ukulele. I don't use it very often anymore. I don't have that much time for my hobbies, but I like it. And over here, we have a hanging plant. The plant is real. It's from IKEA. I hung it up to my ceiling. It wasn't really long enough, so I added some rope to it, and this way it's the perfect length. I really like it. I've had it for a year now and it's still alive. It's my first living plant, okay? It's getting very big. Then we have even more Polaroids right here, and then we have a bunch of pictures here. I have 3 posters. They're from AliExpress. I really love them. I will link them down below. Everything that I can, I will link down below. Then these pictures, including those and all of these, were a set. I will also link that down below. Also from AliExpress. I really like them and the quality is very good. And I have more Polaroids over here. A Sagittarius poster, New York poster, and Friends poster. Then over here I also have some Polaroids, but these are different. They're much bigger from a different camera. And another poster, Flower Market, Stockholm. I will also link it down below. And then we have my beautiful central perk light. I love it so much. I got it from my boyfriend. This is what it looks like on. It's much prettier at night, but I just really like this. Then we also have a little shelf right here. The shelf is from IKEA. And over here we have a little remote thing. I have flat lights right there. I need to buy new ones. These don't work very well anymore, but right now they look good though. But yeah, I always have these on at night together with my central perk light, and I really like it. Then over here we have my Instax camera, the Instax Mini 11. More Polaroids, oh my god. Then we have a candle, natural blended soy wax. I haven't lighted it yet, but it looked cute. Then some fake plants from IKEA. Those scented sticks thing, fragrance sticks, whatever. Another candle. Well, this is like a candle holder, but there isn't a candle in it. And here we have some matches. This is Bella's favorite spot. She always lays on the bottom pillow. Always on this side, never on that side. She's always over here. Hi Bella, she's so sweet. Teddy bear and books, my iPad. Then I have this pink pillow. I bought it once. I don't think it goes very well with the rest of my room, but I do like it, and the cats love it. They always lay on it. And I also have this blanket right here. I believe it's 2 meters by 150, so it's very big. This one's from a store called Action. I think it's just in a few countries, the Netherlands being one of them. And I totally forgot to mention, but over there we have my pretty door thing. But yeah, that's a little bag, and it keeps my door open. Then over here we have my kind of messy nightstand. I saw this picture once on Pinterest with this as a nightstand, and I absolutely loved it, so I recreated it. Now I kind of want something new, but I'm gonna keep it until I move out, and maybe I'll use it in the kitchen then or something. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. It's just so nice to have all this storage space, you know? I also have a salt lamp on top, which I got for Christmas. I absolutely love it. A random book with a clock. This one's from IKEA. It was just so retro. I really liked it. I bought it years and years ago. This is just messy. I hate it. We have this cushion for the cats, and it's like made to be in like the window stuff. I saw it and I was like, I need that because Bella always sits in the window. She lays there so often. It fits perfectly. I really like it. Then beside it, let's just remove my pajamas for the looks of it. We have a little bench. An old friend of ours made it because it basically needed to be made to size. You see that little edge right there? It goes all around here. So we couldn't really place a normal bench, and also not because of this and because of this, and it just, we couldn't find one that would fit. So we just made one ourselves. And we also have a cushion right here that we made ourselves. There was fabric around it, but I didn't like it anymore, so I just put a blanket around it. And 2 pillows. I have 2 baskets right here. I'm kind of storing my books in there right now, my phone cases, but it's really full, so I need a different place for my books and stuff, but okay. That also has a lot of random stuff in it. Then a fake plant from IKEA. Then my mom's old vinyls that I also liked. I put them right there. Thought it was a great spot for it. And some random magazines and notebooks and stuff. Then I also have this lamp. Wow, I don't even remember where it's from. I've had it for years now. I think maybe from IKEA, and I think they won't have it anymore. And also my yoga mat because I don't have a better place for it. And some food and water for the cats. Then over here, I just like to keep my bags because it's handy. Then this is my clothing closet. Yes, it's tiny. I hate it. I can't wait to move out and have an actual normal closet, but it's a mess, so I'm not gonna show it to you. Oh my god, I almost forgot. I have a little picture frame right here. That's my grandma, and that's me when I was a baby. I just love this picture so much. Then over here we have this little thing for the cats. They love it. There are balls in it. They can't come out. And this is also a cat toy. Then this is also one big closet, which looks very ugly. I know. This together with that, it's like one piece. Was already here when we got this house. We couldn't really take it out because it's like kind of built in there, so yeah, but it adds a lot of closet space, but a bunch of it is my mom's because she has a very small room that was first my room, but also part of my stuff. Then over here we have my beautiful galaxy lamp, which is kind of broken. It's just broken, but it still works miraculously. I don't even know how, but it fell a few times, but it still works. And a keyboard that I don't use very often because, like I said, I have no time for my hobbies. I'm way too busy, so that is really sad. I don't want to throw it out or anything because if I had the time, I love to play. I also have something new right here. I had this like 2-3 months now. I think 2 months. I think it looks really good because it's such an open, empty space and it really fills it up and it's just cute. I like it, so this is new as well. Then over here we have this little corner. I believe I also filmed a makeover for this. Believe me, it was so needed. It was so bad. There was so much stuff right here, but I'm so glad that I finally did this. So over here we have 2 candles. These are just like extra candles for when the ones I'm using are burnt out, then I can use these. Then this is a little pot thingy. It's handmade. I don't know where it's made. I got this at a thrift store, but I just really liked it. I really like stuff like this, like from different cultures. It's so different than here in the Netherlands. Obviously, I keep my camera batteries in here, so I'm very happy with it. Over here we have a little elephant. It was my keychain for my car keys. Quality wasn't so great, even though I kind of paid a lot for this. It just ripped off and whatever, so I just put it here for decoration. Then I completed my Friends collection. They're not all the same kind of series, but they're all the complete season. I am satisfied. First, I only had season 1 to 6, but recently I found the other seasons as well, so I'm very happy. Bought this all at the thrift store. Then on top there's this old camera that doesn't really work anymore, I'm pretty sure. I also got this at a thrift store. It was so cheap. It does look cool, so I just thought I'd buy it. I have a globe right here. It just looks really good. Then below it I have a bunch of travel magazines also over there and a travel diary. I got this for my boyfriend, but we got together right before COVID hit, so we haven't actually been outside of the country, but now we're going to Paris. Actually, when you're watching this, I'm in Paris, so I can actually take it, actually use it. Like, I'm so excited for that. I can finally use my travel diary. Oh my god. Then I have this little savings thing. You can like put your money in it, you know. I got this for my birthday. It's from a Dutch theme park called Efteling. It's a theme park with fairy tale stuff. There are just a bunch of fairy tales on here. Then I have this candle. I bought this once at a souvenir shop and there are like shells in it. Look how cool. A little glass bottle with shells in them. Got that at a thrift store. Then this picture frame I also got at the thrift store. The picture inside is part of the wall collage set that is on my wall right there. Then here we have 2 perfume bottles and my Ariana Grande box from her perfume. The perfume was always over here, but I placed it somewhere else. Then over here we have two fake plants. I know that the pots don't really go together. 2 days ago, our kitten broke the flower pot that was here. But okay, I still had this one, so I just put it here temporarily. They're both fake plants from IKEA. The pot is also from IKEA. Then down here, I just created something here. I don't even know. A little wooden thing that I once got for my birthday. And on top is another fake plant. I love the pot though. The pink is so pretty. And over here we have actually like a little vase thing. Really pretty light green. And it's also from the thrift store. I didn't put anything in it yet because I didn't have anything. It's just standing there. Then over here we have a pot with dried flowers. This we got at a store, kind of a thrift store, but like people could get their own little booth and they could just put their stuff there to be sold in. There were a bunch of these, so I think someone made it themselves, but it looks really good here. I like it. Then over here we have a Valentine's Day card that I got from my boyfriend, a mixtape that he made for me, also The Notebook, the movie, which I got at the thrift store. Over here we have two magazines, two old magazines. I love them so much. Also got these at a thrift store. What a shock. Someone just had a bunch of these. They had like a whole crate full of these. They're from October 1960. Like, how could you leave that behind? I just loved it so much because it's so old and it's so different from now. Like, look at this. I just loved it so much. I had to take it with me. But now I kind of wish I brought more. Then over here we have my Google Home with some random stuff below it. Then over here we have a Polaroid camera that I got at a thrift store. It's really cheap because they didn't know if it worked, but I put new Polaroids inside and it worked, so I'm very happy about it. Over here we have the old record player of my mom, and over here I have my favorite vinyls. Love Goes from Sam Smith, The Thrill of It All from Sam Smith, Positions from Ariana Grande, Ed Sheeran and Bruno Mars, I think. And here for decoration I put this case of Whitney Houston from a vinyl. Then this is a camera that I also got at the thrift store for like €4 and it still works as well. It's a very good camera and I'm so excited for the photos. Oh my god. That is this little corner. Down there we have the laundry baskets. Then over here we have my guitar and a shoe rack with all of my shoes. We have another window. In this window we have a blanket. It's orange and pink and not very pretty, I know, but of course I have a beautiful cushion over there in that window. It's just too big for this window. It's gonna be in the way and it's just not ideal, so we have a blanket right here. There's my jewelry box because I don't know where else to put it. Then we have my desk area. Like I said, I just redid it. I gave it a little makeover. We have my water bottle right here. This is my hairbrush. This is a pencil case with all my pens and stuff inside. Then we have all of my skincare stuff, my hair stuff, deodorant, body lotion, whatever. In the little baskets, I have one folded out on top and there's one below it that I didn't fold out. I just thought it added a little extra color. Then over here we have my blue light glasses. Then in here are like my car keys, my clips, whatever. Just a little basket. Then we have my new MacBook Pro. Oh my god, I'm so happy with it. There's a hard case over it, so it might look a little different. Not part of the room, but okay. I do have a little standard right here. You can also put it on the side and you can just like put your MacBook in it like this, but I just like to use it like this. Then I have these pictures on the wall. They were in a picture set with a bunch of pictures. I will also link it down below. Then we have this digital clock, which I absolutely love. I'm very happy with it. I always saw it on Pinterest and I was so obsessed with it, then I got it myself. Then we have more pictures from the set. Then we have a little mirror right here. This one is from H&M. It was like €10 and I really like it. Then over here we have a little fake book actually with two of my glasses and this beautiful lamp. The book is from AliExpress. The lamp is from the store called Action Again. There was a lamp inside that was just way too bright, but I got another Google Home lamp, which is great. So now I can just adjust the brightness and the color and everything. So if I think it's too bright, I can just make it less bright. And over here we have this little basket that is also from the Action and it has all my scrunchies inside. Then over here is another little shelf. This is the same shelf as that one beside my bed, but this one is smaller. It's about half of it, I think. So on top we have a candle from Primark. It's a scented candle and it says relax. I thought it was such a cool candle, I had to get it. Then we have a book right here, Anne of Green Gables or Gables, I don't even know, I'm sorry. It's basically the original story from Anne with an E, the Netflix series. I don't know if you know it. The book looks so good. The back as well. It was only 10 euros. And the bookstore where I bought this had many different classic stories in a cover like this. So they had like Alice in Wonderland and stuff like that, Sherlock Holmes, all in a pretty cover like this. I haven't read the book yet, but I will. Then over here, we have a little bowl with all my jewelry that I wear the most. Here we have something for my lips. And here is the Ariana Grande perfume. Then we have a little plant. I also bought this kind of recently. It's also a real plant and I got it from Dille & Camilla, a Dutch store, which is my absolute favorite right now. Then for the pictures, we have more Polaroids. They're from vacation last year and this one was from a different vacation in France. This one's also part of the picture set that is also right here. My desk and chair are both from IKEA. I have no idea if they still sell that, but they do still sell this. It's a fine desk. Nothing wrong with it. Over here, not really important, we have my bags that I usually use. I almost forgot it, but down here we have my trash can, which is absolutely beautiful. Isn't it so pretty? So yeah, that is my little desk area, aka my workspace. Then over here we have a mirror. Nothing really interesting about this mirror. I don't really like it anymore. I actually want a big standing mirror, but that fits like nowhere in my room. It's fine. It's a great mirror. And that was it. Then you get back to my entrance. That is my room. That was my new updated room tour. I hope you like it. It's kind of clean right now. It's normally not this clean. I think my room definitely looks the best now compared to the last years. Very happy with it. I hope you like my room too. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite part is of the room. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to become a part of the family. I hope I will see you in my next video.